How to manually set the date and time on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on General Management, then tap on Date and Time. Next, to use the menu Date and Time, turn off Automatic Date and Time. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Then we go down to Set Date. In here, you can manually set the date, and you can also manually set the time. Now, sometimes you may want to set the time 5 or 10 minutes ahead of time. To do that, simply just changing the minutes here so that it is ahead of time, and then tap on Done. So now we are 10 minutes ahead of time. And that is how you can manually set the date and time on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.